Hi, I'm Ben from Easy Access Group, and I'm here to talk to you today about our range of access equipment. We have the biggest range of access equipment in New Zealand, ranging from step ladders through rolling scaffolds to edge protection to large industrial platforms. Today we're going to be going over our ladder range, and specifically our Trade Series ladder range. Easy Access is a New Zealand owned and operated company, which means we're easy to deal with. It means you can get spare parts for all your ladders, scaffolding, height access equipment. If you ever lose parts or break parts, we have all that available, and you get the guarantees that come with being a genuine New Zealand company. We also design our own ladders here in New Zealand, designed for New Zealand tradies and New Zealand construction sites. At Easy Access, we have New Zealand's most reliable range of ladders. We have multi-purpose ladders, we have work platforms, we have platform ladders, we have dual purpose ladders, double-sided ladders and rope extension ladders. We have three main ranges of the ladders. We have our Warthog range, which is New Zealand made, 180 kg rated. We have our Fibreglass Trade Series range, which are 150 kg rated and made out of fiberglass, so they're non-conductive for the electrical industry. And then we have our Trade Series ladders, which are 150 kg and an affordable quality ladder. So these are the different models. First, we have our two domestic rated or household use models. We have the 2, 3 and a 4 step available, and the small indoor household ladder for smaller tasks like changing light bulbs, putting things away in high spots. Then we have our 120 kg or domestic rated 6 step dual purpose ladder. This is for around the home, but for outdoor use. Then we have our work platform with fold out legs. This is great for tasks such as painting and maintenance tasks. It can be used indoor and outdoor. It is also rated to 150 kgs and it's 900 high, so it can be used on work sites. Next, we have our double-sided ladders. We have a 3 step and a 4 step available. These ladders can be used indoors and outdoors. They're rated to 150 kgs, so they can be used on trade sites in New Zealand. Although it is now recommended, if you are using it on a work site, to use a platform ladder as opposed to a double-sided ladder. These ladders, however, can still be used for short duration work and are the most common ladder sold throughout New Zealand. They're fully compliant to ASNZ standards as required. This is the 4 step in the same option in the double-sided fold-out ladder. Again, these are great for indoor tasks, for painting. They can be used outdoor, and they give you that extra step height. These ladders should not be stood on above the second to top step. We do have a bolt-on handrail option to make these ladders safer still. These here are the traditional step extension or dual purpose ladders. We have a 6 step, 7 step, and we also have an 8 step available. These fold out to double in height. These ladders are primarily for outdoor use, but can be used indoors to reach higher objects or carry out tasks on high ceilings. These ladders are also rated to 150 kgs, so they can be used on work and trade sites around New Zealand. Again, we'd recommend that on work and trade sites around New Zealand, you do use a platform step ladder. These here are our multi-purpose telescopic ladder option. We have a 3 step, 4 step and a 5 step model available. These are a great multi-purpose ladder, which is why we call them that, because they can be used for many things. They extend higher, longer, they fold out into different shapes. They can be used offset for use on stairwells, if you're changing a light bulb above a stairwell or painting in one. Again, the Easy Access multi-purpose ladder is one of the very few on the market that is rated to 150 kgs and can be used by tradesmen on work and construction sites around New Zealand. And here we have the Trade Series platform ladder by Easy Access. These ladders are now what is recommended for any work or construction site around New Zealand. They're rated to 150 kgs, they're fully compliant to ASNZ standards, and the main thing why safety people like them is because they provide 3 points of contact when you're standing on the platform and have a hand on the handrail. This makes them safer to use, makes them more stable. It actually makes you feel more comfortable when you're working, so you can work faster and more efficiently while still being a lot safer than on a standard ladder. These are highly recommended. We have options available right from a 2-step model right through to an 8-step model. So that's right from a 0.6 metre high platform up to a 2.8 metre high platform. We also have optional extras available for these ladders. We can do a full surround handrail, which makes them safer still. We can provide a tool bucket that clips on the front and means you can put your tools, tape, anything extra in the front without hindering you climbing the ladder. We do a spring wheel option for the base of these ladders so you can wheel them around on site, makes them a lot easier as opposed to carrying them. They also have some holes here in the tray that you can use for sliding tools such as screwdrivers and things through. Again, we do a fiberglass version in these ladders for use where electrical hazards exist, mainly used by the electrical industry.